This is the story of a tornado. His name was Lenny. Lenny loved wandering around and having fun, but Lenny soon became sad. He didn't know why he was sad. He'd had no worries, nothing bad ever happened to him, and he could play around all day. He then realized that he was lonely. He had no friends. "I'm gonna go make some friends," he thought to himself. He then went off to find a friend. Lenny searched and searched, but didn't find anyone to become friends with. He then discovered someone who would make a suitable friend. It was a house. "What's your name?" asked Lenny. "My name is Gerald McMoom," replied the house. Lenny asked Gerald McMoom if they could be friends. "I have been lonely for so long," said Lenny. "I will be your friend," Gerald said. They then hugged, but as they hugged, the wind blowing around inside Lenny ripped Gerald McMoom to shreds. "No!" Lenny cried out. "Ugh, now I have to find another friend." After that, Lenny blew around place to place, looking for someone, anyone, to become friends with. He couldn't find anyone. As he was blowing around, he went near a wind turbine. The blade started going faster when he got closer. The wind turbine then sprung to life and said, "Hi, you! My name's Joe. Can you please blow me?" Lenny said, "You mean me? Like you want to be friends?" "Yeah, if it'll mean I'm getting more wind in me." "Okay." But as Lenny got closer and closer to the wind turbine, he remembered the house, so he started to run. "No, wait! You didn't blow me!" As he ran, Lenny then realized the house was old, right? So it would fall apart more easily. He stopped and went back to the wind turbine. The wind turbine! This guy was built to withstand him. So he can help. Little did he know he was a Class 5 tornado, the most powerful kind of tornado. As he got closer to Joe, he saw his blade start to spin faster and faster, but also shake and shake more violently. This wasn't good. He then got so close that the blades flew out of Joe, and Joe was ripped from the dirt. He screamed, "I will never forget you!" And Lenny then said, "I will probably forget you." Ugh, I can't find any friends. Lenny couldn't find a friend. Everybody he came up to got ripped to shreds from Lenny's wind. He had given up. But then another lonely tornado came to Lenny. It was Merida, the most beautiful female tornado. "Whoa," said Lenny. Lenny and Merida got to know each other. They found out they had something in common. They both uncontrollably destroy things. They decide not to be upset about this, but they embraced it. "I love you so much," said Lenny. "I love you."